Want to send photos, videos, or files from your Pixel phone in seconds without using the internet? Or can't you find the nearby share option on your device? Don't worry, in this video I'll show you how to use Quick Share on your Pixel phone. Let's get started. Unlock your Pixel phone and go to the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Connected Devices. Now tap on Connection Preferences. Here, you'll see Quick Share. Then tap on it. Toggle on Quick Share. Now choose who can share with you. Everyone, anyone nearby. Contacts, only your contacts. Your devices, your own devices only. After that, open a photo, video, or file. Tap the Share button. Then select Quick Share. Choose the device you want to send. That's it. Now you can easily share files using Quick Share on your Pixel phone. If this video helps you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more useful tech tips. Have questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.